Improving battery life on iOS 18.2 involves a combination of settings, adjustments, and mindful usage habits. So, here are some tips and tricks to help you extend your iPhone's battery life. So, let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your mobile device, and now inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the battery option available there. Now, once inside the battery, tap on the battery health and you can see your maximum capacity option available there. If your maximum capacity is lower than 80%, then you will need to change the battery, or else tap on the charging option available in the battery. Inside charging, make sure that your charging capacity scale is on 100% and your optimized battery charging is toggled on. If it is not 100%, then drag the slider and put it on the 100% and toggle on the optimized battery settings. Once you do so, simply go back to the Settings app on your mobile device. Then scroll down and tap on the Display and Brightness option available there. Now, once inside the display and brightness, the screen is one of the most power hungry components. Reducing brightness can significantly extend battery life. So make sure to tap on the dark option available there. And you can also adjust the brightness slider to a lower level if you want to. And you can also enable auto brightness, which adjusts brightness based on your environment. Now, once you have done so, again go back to the settings. And now inside the settings, tap on the general option available there. Then tap on the background app refresh and toggle off the background app refresh. Background app refresh allows app to update content in the background, but this consumes too much of batteries. Now again, go back to the settings. Then inside settings, scroll down and look for the privacy and security option available there and simply tap on it. Inside privacy and security, tap on the location services and toggle off the location services. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.